Hello children, good morning. I am Monisha. Today I am going to take the continuation of the northern mountains. Yes children, today we are going to see the second part of the northern mountains, that is the states which belongs to the northern mountains. In that first state we are going to see Jammu and Kashmir. The valley of Jammu and Kashmir is covered with snow capped mountain. What is a valley? Valley is nothing children, it is a area which is covered by snow capped mountains. Yes children, the famous cultivation in Jammu and Kashmir is apples and saffron. The Jammu and Kashmir is famous for its apples and saffron. The Jammu and Kashmir is famous for its Dal Lake. Jammu and Kashmir is famous for Dal Lake. In that Dal Lake we can see a n number of boats. That is houseboats is famous in Jammu and Kashmir. Next, Shamina shawls is famous for all over the world. In Jammu and Kashmir, Shamina shawls is famous for all over the world. Next children, languages. We want languages to communicate our thoughts. In early times, the people communicate with the help of signs and gestures. What is a gestures children? Gestures is nothing ma, moga bhavanai. So, seriya. In olden days, they will communicate with the help of signs and symbols. Nowadays, we are using languages. The people which live in Jammu and Kashmir, they speak languages like Kashmiri, Urdu, Dogri and Ladakhi. Their main occupation is farming. Then the famous pilgrimage centers like Amarnath cave and Vaishnavi Devi shrine is located in Jammu and Kashmir. The main dance is roof. The roof is the main dance children. Roof dance is a famous dance in Jammu and Kashmir. Next we will see Himachal Pradesh. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. What is meant by a capital? Capital is nothing children, a city or a town that functions as a seat of the government. A city or town that functions as seat of the government is called a capital. The main occupation is farming. The famous dance in Himachal Pradesh is Nati. The famous dance in Himachal Pradesh is Nati. Then the people which live in Himachal Pradesh, the main language is Hindi and Pahari. The Himachal Pradesh is famous for its apples children. The Himachal Pradesh is famous for apples. Then the people which live in Himachal Pradesh, they wear dresses like the men wear kurtas as well as pajama. The female wear dresses like churidar and salwar kameez. The men cover their head with the woolen cap. The female protect their head with scarf. Female cover their head with scarf. Yes children. Then the main festival is Dashera. The festival is Dashera. Why they celebrate Dashera? Because according to Ram Leela, Rama wins Ravana. Due to this, they celebrate the Dashera festivals. The third state is Uttarakhand. The third one is Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Listen children, the Himalayan mountains in Uttarakhand are called Kumaon Hills and Garhwal Hills. The Kumaon Hills and Garhwal Hills. The Kedarnath and Badrinath are the famous pilgrimage centers which is located in Uttarakhand. Kedarnath and Badrinath. These two temples which is famous for its pilgrimage center, these two temples consist of the Lord Shiva. Next, Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. The main dance is the mask dance. Then it has two mixed customs as well as a tradition, because the border of Sikkim touches the Nepal as well as the Bhutan. The border of Sikkim touches the Nepal as well as Bhutan. So, the people which live in Sikkim, they add mixed customs as well as mixed traditions of both Nepal as well as the Bhutan. Next, Darjeeling. Darjeeling is famous hill station in West Bengal. The Tiger Hill is very famous tourist spot. Next, we are going to see the northeastern state. The northeastern states like Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Assam, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Let us see each state, children. First we will see Arunachal Pradesh. The easternmost state of India is the Arunachal Pradesh. Here the sun rises very earliest. Here the sun rises is very earliest. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Next, Assam. Assam is the biggest state in the northeastern region. Assam is famous for its tea cultivation. Assam is famous for its tea cultivation. The dance which is famous in Sikkim, Assam is Bihu dance. During festival occasions, they dance with pomp and joy. Next, Meghalaya. Meghalaya is located in Garu, Khasi and Jainta hills. Meghalaya is located in Khasi and Garu hills. It is famous for its rich deposits of coal. And its capital is Shillong. Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. The main language here is Naga. The main language is Naga. The people living in that Nagaland, they wear a very colorful clothes. Next, Mizoram. Mizoram, the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Here the famous is bamboo dance. The people which live in Mizoram, they make a delicate handcraft work. Handcraft work is nothing, children. கைவினை பொருட்கள்னு சொல்றல அதுதான். சரியா? They make handloom cloths as well as a delicate handcraft work. And its cultivation is, main occupation is shifting cultivation. What is a shifting cultivation? It is nothing, children. கொஞ்ச காலம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா அந்த நிலத்தை வந்து கல்டிவேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அதுக்கு after some time they leave the land, then again they make the land as to be a fertile state. That is named as an shifting cultivation. Manipur is situated in the south of Nagaland. Up always points out the north direction, the down south direction. So Manipur is situated in south of the Nagaland. The capital of Manipur is Impal. IMPHAL, Impal. The main dance is Manipuri. Manipuri is the dance. Next, Tripura. Tripura is surrounded on three sides of the Bangladesh. Tripura is surrounded on three sides of Bangladesh. Then the capital is Agartala. Agartala is the capital. The people which live in Tripura speak languages like Bengali and Kokbarak. Thank you, children. I hope you understood the concept. Go through it thoroughly.